Hey everyone, welcome back to Vedam School of Technology. So we have reached 100 days milestone at Vedam, and on this special occasion, our founder Mr. Piyush Nangru is coming to the college for having a special session with us, and he will be asking us about the journey, and we will be talking about the things he is about to, expecting us to do in next 4 years. Also after the session, we'll be having a Q&A session with him as well, and we will be having a project showcase session as well, in which the students who have built some projects in these 4 months or are making any projects will be showcasing them to our founder. So let's deep dive into this video. ऐसा चल रहा है आज का दिन? ऑल गुड? नाइस। तो आज एक स्पेशल दिन है. Today's event is not an ordinary event or an ordinary session, but today's session is for setting a mark that we had made a very incredible milestone. We have officially completed 100 days at Vedam School of Technology, building, yes. इन 100 डेज में हमने कई सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स पे काम किया, कई सारे क्लास में बदमाशी की, नए नए चेहरे देखे थे पहले दिन, और अब तो दोस्त बन गए भाई, ग्रुप में बात चल रही है. और उसके अलावा क्लब्स बने, क्लब्स का पार्ट बने, वॉलंटियरिंग की, बहुत कुछ किया 100 डेज में. और आई थिंक सबका एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा रहा 100 डेज का, है कि नहीं? जैसा कि जानते हो सब लोग कि हर एक ग्रेट इंस्टीट्यूशन के पीछे एक ग्रेट स्टोरी होती है, हर एक ग्रेट स्टोरी के पीछे एक ग्रेट विजन होता है, और हर एक ग्रेट विजन के पीछे एक ग्रेट विजनरी होता है. एंड आई एम डिलाइटफुल टू टेल यू ऑल दैट टुडे वी आर वेरी मच impressed that we will be meeting the incredible person who was the main reason of standing this whole Vedam School of Technology, who built this college from ground, and who dreamed of one of his things, that he wants to build future of multiple engineers who can drive the world in the field of future technology and tech innovations. So I would request you all to please give the warmest and most enthusiastic welcome to the person who made this all possible, our founder, Mr. Piyush Nangru, sir. Yes, sir.
So 100 days. सच बताऊं, जब फर्स्ट डे था ना, आई वॉज पर्सनली वेरी नर्वस कि जो सोचा है, वट एवर इज प्लान्ड इन द विजन, वट एवर हैज़ बीन प्रॉमिस्ड, विल इट प्ले आउट लाइक दैट और नॉट? विल द टीम be able to deliver like that or not? And if I see today, after 100 days, still very early though, but I feel that if there is one word which probably describes maybe how I am feeling, it is proud. I am really proud of the team which has worked so hard with all of you in making sure that you get best of the experience, and most importantly, best of the education. But the most proud I am because of all of you. Why? Because जब आप लोग उस education को, it's not something which is run of the mill, it's not something which is normal, it's not something which is the norm. We have put you outside of the typical comfort zone. You have extensive classes, you have coding from day one. You are expected to build things. And the way you have really taken this in the first 100 days, I think most of all, I am proud of you all, the students who have taken the Vedam's vision, adopted it, executed it, and exemplifying it, and hopefully we'll take it to even further heights in the next 100 days. So big round of applause to all of you first. Now, for the next 100 days, I would like to give an unsolicited advice. Please stretch yourself a little bit, okay, as if you are not already stretched, huh? But even if 3%, 4%, 5% extra stretch kiya, you will be a 10 times better version as compared to if not. So I think I will end with this, that so far in the 100 days of existence, the kind of zeal which you have shown, the kind of hunger to build which you have shown. I know many of you are, sitting here till 10 p.m. every day. Make sure that this is not because of novelty. The biggest gain, the biggest thing to take away from these 100 days is momentum. We have gained this momentum, you have to carry this on. So keep carrying this momentum, stay curious, keep building, keep innovating. Best of luck, guys.
Let's go on to the next stage of this session. As you all know that yesterday a form was out that if you guys have any ideas, any projects, anything you want to present in front of our Piyush sir, आज as a mentor आए हैं, तो आप लोग को बेटर तरीके से गाइड कर पाएंगे कि आप लोग क्या improvements कर सकते हो.
Few days ago, one night I was just sitting and wondering about my idea, how to start, what would be my market fit and everything.
31st October Halloween था and with collaboration with कल्चरल क्लब हमने एक इवेंट होस्ट करा था. उस इवेंट को स्मूथली ऑपरेट करने के लिए हमने एक वेबसाइट बनाई थी जो कि हैलोवीन थीम पे बेस्ड थी. एंड एज यू कैन सी द टैगलाइन, एंटर इफ यू डेयर द अल्टीमेट हैलोवीन ई स्पोर्ट्स बैटल अवेट्स. ओके, सो ये वेबसाइट हमने बनाई थी ताकि हमारे जो इवेंट में जो भी रजिस्ट्रेशन हैं सब कुछ स्मूथली हो जाए.
I have a comment. So I think what we really get from this is that they have picked a real problem. It doesn't matter whether the problem is trivial or not, but it was a problem. They built a project, solved that problem. So problems are always around you. It could be your smallest of household problem versus something related to what is happening on this floor versus splitwise भी ऐसे ही जन्मा था. So problems are always there. It doesn't matter right now whether how much of a market size a problem has or not. What matters is that you really attempt that and solve that. It is only about sharpening, honing your skills there. So I think commendable that I'm particularly appreciating that you picked a real problem and tried to solve it, and they are always around us, so each one of us can really do it.
So guys, the session has ended and it was really a great session, and now the students are having a one-on-one interaction with Piyush sir. Let's have a sneak peek. So the session has ended, and now we will head to few students to ask about their experiences at the first 100 days at Vedam School of Technology, and also we will ask them what were the insights which they took from Piyush sir after this session. Let's go. So as you know that we have completed 100 days at Vedam School of Technology, and do you have any special memories or experiences which you want to share with us?
Answering DSA questions and impetus.
And what were the insights which you took from today's session with Piyush sir?
got a better clarity of how to start my own startup.
First day we came here, we were just getting to know each other. पता था लोग हैं, but till this day we have made friends. सब friends हैं. We've made groups. और अब communities बन गई हैं, cultural clubs and different other clubs. और अब मैं भी एक club की सबविंग की डांस हेड हूँ. और yeah, that's all fun. Getting along with each other, making friends. And specifically the experience here is. और आज की मीटिंग, आज का इवेंट was very nice. पीयूष सर के insightful words, उनका एक्सपीरियंस, उनके thoughts, how to become successful in our career in terms of business was very nice. जितने भी लोगों ने पिच करा आइडिया, तो उनके उस पे सर ने क्या वर्ड्स और क्या एक्सपीरियंस के लिए क्या बात बताई, दैट वाज वेरी नाइस. तो हमें क्या आगे करना चाहिए, और ये सब बहुत अच्छा है.
अगर डे 1 से कंपेयर करें तो डे 1 पे हम लोग सब स्ट्रेंजर्स थे, और आज हम लोग साथ में अपने खुद के स्टार्टअप बिल्ड कर रहे हैं. और उसके अलावा हम लोग नई नई लैंग्वेजेस सीख रहे हैं कोडिंग में. उसके अलावा अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स डिज़ाइन कर रहे हैं सब दोस्तों के साथ. तो डे 1 से आज कंपेयर करें तो काफ़ी कुछ नया सीख रहे हैं, नए चेंजेस आए. और आज के सेशन से हमें ये सीखने को मिला कि रिस्क टेकिंग होनी चाहिए. अगर तुम्हारे दिमाग में कोई आइडिया है तो तुम उसको शेयर करो और लोगों के साथ. ये मत सोचो कि कोई और कॉपी कर लेगा, क्योंकि आइडिया तुम्हारा है, कोई कॉपी नहीं कर सकता, और वो रिस्क ले सकते हो.